So I'm going to go to Structure and Views, and I'll go to the blog homepage and click Edit. And I want to make sure that we're in our attachment display. And now if we went straight to the filter criteria, we're not going to actually find anything in there. If we did a search for Nodequeue or queue, for example, it would be completely empty. That's because we have to draw a connection between our content and the Nodequeue. And how are we going to do that? That's right. We're going to do it through a relationship. So we'll go to Relationships and click Add, and we'll do a search for queue. And we have one item here, Nodequeue queue. We'll check that and select Not Apply All Displays. We only want to use this on our attachment. So we will go up here and select this attachment for 4. And now it says Apply this display, which is right. So I'll check that. I'm going to change the identifier to blog slideshow queue. We don't necessarily have to check require this relationship, but I will anyway. And we're going to limit this to a single queue. We want to make sure that as we add additional queues that they aren't available as an option. I'm going to check blog slideshow and click Apply this display. So now it seems like at this point we should probably need to add a filter, but if you scroll down and look at the preview, you see we only have our 2 items listed here. So we're being filtered by our Nodequeue. We have Are You a Geek and How Macaroni is Made. So if we save this, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And we go back to our blog homepage. I'll click Home and then Blog. You'll see our Nodequeue is coming into play here. So now in order to get content contributors control of this, we just have to give them the right permissions and point them to the Nodequeue. And that's a whole lot easier to work with than filters inside of views.